Hi, in this lesson we're going to learn the letter Ain, which makes the sound A. Letter Ain has 4 shapes. The first 2 shapes are the non-ending shapes, and the last 2 shapes are the ending shapes. For the non-ending shapes, we choose the right shape by checking the previous letter. If the previous letter is non-connectable, or if Ain is the first letter of the word, then the first shape is used. If the previous letter is connectable, then we use the second shape of A. The same goes with the ending shapes. If the previous letter is connectable, we use the third shape, and if the previous letter is not connectable, we take the fourth shape. There is another point to note before we see the examples. When a word starts with Ain, it makes the same sound as if it starts with a vowel. Do you remember which letter accompanies vowels in the initial position? That's right, the letter Alif. In fact, we can say that the letter Alif at the beginning of words makes the same sound as the letter Ain. That's the sound. Just to make it simple, I decided not to write the symbol for the sound in the initial position in transliteration. The same as the other letters which share the same sounds, you'd know which one to choose by memorizing the words. Here is an example. The word dear, Aziz. It starts with the A sound. We would normally use the letter Alif with the A sign above, but in this word we need to take Ain as a base for the vowel A. It makes the same sound because Ain and the initial Alif both make the same sound, A. So here is A with A above. Next, we have Z. In this word, it's this Z. Then the middle E, and at the end we have Z. Again, this one. Aziz. Here's the word teacher, Mu'allim. First, M, the non-ending one, with the O sound above. Next, the sound, a non-ending one. The previous letter is connectable, so we use the second shape, or the shape with 2 handles. Then, the A sound above. Next, there's the L sound, but it's pronounced more densely, so it takes tashdid. Then the E sound on the L and the ending shape of M. Mu'allim. Here's how Mu'allim looks like without the short vowels around it. Now we have 2 examples for the ending shapes of Ain. The word start, shuru. First, sh, the non-ending one with O above. Next, r, connected. Then the U sound, and at the end, the ending shape of A. But which one? Looking at the previous letter, as U does not connect to its following letter, we take the fourth shape of A on its own. Shuru. Now the word candle, sham. First, the non-ending sh with A above, then the non-ending m, and at the end, the ending shape of A. This time, the previous letter is connectable, so we take the third shape, the one with a handle. شمع